Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Blazor Testing, a comprehensive guide from A to Z, inspired by .NET CONF 2023. This tutorial provides a deep dive into Blazor testing, covering various strategies, tools, and best practices, inspired by the latest trends and recommendations often discussed at events like .NET CONF. Will go from setting up your testing environment to writing robust and maintainable tests. Disclaimer *, while I can't literally recreate a specific .NET CONF 2023 session, as I'm an AI and don't have access to closed-door events, I'll cover popular topics and emerging trends often featured in such conferences, focusing on the key principles of Blazor testing. Table of Contents * 1. Why testing is crucial in Blazor development. 2. Setting up your Blazor testing environment. * Choosing a test framework, xunit, nunit, mstest. * Installing necessary packages. * Project structure for testing. 3 types of Blazor tests. * Unit testing, isolated component logic. * Integration testing, component interactions and external dependencies. * End-to-end, E2E, testing, user interface behavior. 4 Unit testing, Blazor components with B-Unit. * Introduction to B-Unit. * Writing basic component tests. * Parameter handling and event handling. * Context providers and JavaScript interop mocking. * Verifying markup and CSS classes. * Testing navigation and routing. 5 Integration testing, Blazor components. * Using test server for in-memory HTTP requests. * Integration testing with real services and databases. * Dealing with state management, Fluxer, Redux, etc. 6 End-to-end, E2E, testing with Playwright. * Introduction to Playwright. * Setting up Playwright for Blazor. * Writing E2E tests for user scenarios. * Handling asynchronous operations and timeouts. * Advanced Playwright features, screenshots, tracing, and video recording. 7 Best practices for Blazor testing. * Test-driven development, TDD. * Writing readable and maintainable tests. * Using test doubles, mocks, stubs, fakes. * Code coverage and test reporting. * Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, integration. 8 Common Blazor testing challenges and solutions. * Testing JavaScript interop. * Testing authentication and authorization. * Dealing with asynchronous state updates. 9 Advanced testing techniques. * Property-based testing. * Mutation testing. * Visual regression testing. 10 Conclusion and further resources. 1. Why testing is crucial in Blazor development. Testing is not just a nice-to-have, it's a fundamental aspect of professional software development. In the context of Blazor, which often involves complex UI logic, data binding, and interactions with server-side components, testing becomes even more vital. Here's why. Early bug detection. Identifying and fixing bugs during development is far cheaper and less disruptive than finding them in production. Code quality and maintainability. Writing tests forces you to think about the design and structure of your code, leading to cleaner, more modular, and easier to maintain code. Confidence in refactoring. Tests act as a safety net, allowing you to refactor your code with confidence, knowing that you haven't broken existing functionality. Documentation. Tests can serve as executable documentation, demonstrating how your components are intended to be used. Reduced risk. Thorough testing reduces the risk of introducing bugs that could negatively impact your users or your business. Enables TDD. Testing is the cornerstone of test-driven development, TDD. 2. Setting up your Blazor testing environment. Before you can write any tests, you need to set up your testing environment. This involves choosing a test framework, installing the necessary packages, and structuring your project appropriately. Choosing a test framework. .NET offers several popular test frameworks. xunit. A modern, extensible, and widely used testing framework. Recommended for new projects. nunit. Another popular framework with a long history. mstest. Microsoft's built-in testing framework, often used with Visual Studio. We'll use xunit in this tutorial because of its popularity and extensibility. Installing necessary packages. 1. Create a test project. In your Blazor solution, add a new project of type xunit test project. Name it something like your Blazor project.tests. 2. Install required packages. Use the NuGet package manager to install the following packages in your test project. xunit, the core xunit framework. xunit.runner.visual studio, allows you to run tests from Visual Studio. Microsoft.NET.Test SDK, provides the necessary SDK for running tests. BUnit, a Blazor-specific testing library that simplifies component testing. Mock, a popular mocking library, for creating test doubles. Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.Components.Web, essential for rendering components in the test environment. In your .xproj file, it will look something like this. Project structure for testing. Ideally, keep your test project separate from your main Blazor project. This helps maintain separation of concerns. Organize your test classes and files to mirror the structure of your Blazor project. For example, if you have a component named myComponent.Razor in the Components folder, you might have a test class named myComponentTests.cs in a Components folder within your test project. 3. Types of Blazor tests. Different testing techniques address different aspects of your Blazor application. Unit testing. Unit tests focus on isolating and testing individual components or classes in isolation. The goal is to verify that each unit of code functions correctly on its own, without relying on external dependencies, databases, APIs, etc. Integration testing. Integration tests verify the interaction between multiple components or services within your application. They are broader in scope than unit tests and aim to ensure that different parts of your system work together as expected. End-to-end, E2E, testing. E2E tests simulate real user interactions with your application, starting from the user interface and going all the way through to the backend. They are the most comprehensive type of testing and are used to verify that the entire application functions correctly from the user's perspective. 4. Unit testing. Blazor components with BUnit. BUnit is a Blazor-specific testing library that simplifies the process of unit testing Blazor components. It provides a lightweight and intuitive API for rendering components, simulating user interactions, and verifying the output. Introduction to BUnit. BUnit allows you to render Blazor components in a test environment. Interact with components, example click buttons, enter text. Assert on the rendered markup, HTML. Mock external dependencies, example JavaScript interop, services. Asterisk writing basic component tests asterisk. Let's start with a simple Blazor component. Here's a basic B-unit test for this component. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk test context provides a context for running your tests, including a renderer and services collection. Asterisk render component counter renders the counter component within the test environment. The result is a rendered component counter instance, often assigned to cut component under test. Asterisk find p uses a CSS selector to find the p element within the rendered component. Asterisk markup matches p current count 0/p asserts that the markup of the selected element matches the expected HTML. Asterisk find button click simulates a click event on the button. Asterisk parameter handling and event handling asterisk. Let's say we have a component that accepts a parameter. Here's how to test it. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk parameters equals parameters.add, p equals p.name, John, sets the name parameter of the greeting component to John. This uses a lambda expression to strongly type the parameter. Now, let's consider event handling. Suppose our component raises an event. Here's how to test the event handling. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk new mock event callback creates a mock event callback using the mock library. This allows us to verify that the event is raised. Asterisk mock onClick.verify verifies that the invokeasync method of the mock event callback was called exactly once with the expected argument. Asterisk context providers and JavaScript interop mocking asterisk. Blazor components often rely on context providers, example navigation manager, HTTP client, and JavaScript interop. You can mock these dependencies using Bunnet's services collection. Mocking the navigation manager asterisk. Mocking JavaScript interop asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk services.adds Ingleton, mock navigation manager.object, registers the mock navigation manager as a singleton service in the test context. This makes it available to components rendered within the test. Asterisk mock.js runtime.setup sets up a mock behavior for the IJS runtime.invokeasync method. We tell the mock to return a specific value, some result, when my.js function is called. Asterisk mock.js runtime.verify verifies that the invokeasync method was called with the expected parameters. Asterisk verifying markup and CSS classes asterisk. B-unit provides methods for verifying the rendered markup and CSS classes of elements. Asterisk markup matches, string expected markup, verifies that the markup matches the expected HTML. Asterisk contains, string expected fragment, verifies that the markup contains a specific fragment. Asterisk has class, string class name, verifies that an element has a specific CSS class. Asterisk does not have class, string class name, verifies that an element does not have a specific CSS class. Asterisk testing navigation and routing asterisk. While you can mock Navigation Manager, you can also test the behavior of Blazor's routing system more directly with B-unit. You'll need to configure a Navigation Manager service. This typically involves enabling the routing functionality in your test context. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk the app assembly property of the router component is crucial. It tells the router where to find your Blazor components. Replace type of program.assembly with the type in your main Blazor application. Asterisk testing the exact displayed component after a route change can be challenging. Often, you'll need to wrap your routable components with a test-specific component that identifies which route is currently active. You then assert against that wrapper component. Asterisk consider adding additional assemblies if your components are in multiple assemblies. 5. Integration testing Blazor components. Integration tests go beyond individual components and verify how different parts of your Blazor application work together. This includes interactions between components, services, and external dependencies like databases or APIs. Asterisk using test server for in-memory HTTP requests asterisk. For testing components that rely on HTTP requests, example fetching data from an API, the test server class from Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.TestHost is invaluable. It allows you to simulate a web server in memory without actually deploying your application. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk new web host builder, use startup creates a web host builder using your Blazor application startup class. This configures the test server to behave like your actual application. Asterisk test server.create client creates an HTTP client instance that sends requests to the in-memory test server. Asterisk ctx.services.add HTTP client replaces the default HTTP client in the test context with the HTTP client created by the test server. This ensures that your component uses the test server for its API requests. Asterisk await task.delay 500. This is important because fetching data from an API is an asynchronous operation. You need to wait for the component to complete the request before asserting on the rendered output. Adjust the timeout as needed. Asterisk test server.dispose, clean up resources after the test. Asterisk integration testing with real services and databases asterisk. While mocking services and using in-memory databases are common in unit testing, integration tests can also involve real services and databases, example a test database. This allows you to verify the full integration of your application with its dependencies. Asterisk configure test environment asterisk use environment variables or configuration files to point your application to test specific services and databases during integration testing. This isolates your testing environment from your production environment. Asterisk seed test data asterisk before running your integration tests, populate your test database with the necessary data using scripts or code. Asterisk transaction management asterisk wrap your integration tests in transactions to ensure that any changes made to the database are rolled back after the test completes. This prevents tests from interfering with each other. Asterisk dealing with state management, Fluxor, Redux, etc. If your Blazor application uses a state management library like Fluxor or Redux, you'll need to consider how to test the interactions between your components and the state store. Asterisk mocking the state store asterisk you can mock the state store to verify that components are dispatching the correct actions and that the store is being updated as expected. Asterisk integration testing with the state store asterisk you can create a test-specific state store with known initial state and verify that components update the state correctly in response to user interactions. Here's an example using Fluxor, although the principles are similar for other state management libraries. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk the first test, increment button _ dispatches increment action, mocks the iDispatcher to verify that the component dispatches the correct action when the button is clicked. Asterisk the second test, statechange _ updates component, mocks the state store and dispatches an action to trigger a state change. It then verifies that the component updates its UI based on the new state. Note that this example may need to be adapted based on your specific Fluxor implementation and the way components consume state. 6. End-to-end, E2E, testing with Playwright. E2E tests simulate real user interactions with your application, providing the highest level of confidence in its functionality. Playwright is a powerful, Cross-browser testing framework that is well suited for Blazor E2E testing. Introduction to Playwright. Playwright allows you to automate browser actions, example navigation, clicks, form submissions. Assert on the state of the UI. Run tests in multiple browsers, Chromium, Firefox, WebKit. Generate screenshots, videos, and traces for debugging. Setting up Playwright for Blazor. 1. Create a Playwright project. You can use the Playwright CLI to create a new project. This will create a new folder with a pre-configured Playwright project. 2. Install Playwright browsers. Playwright requires browser binaries to be installed. You can install them using the following command. 3. Add project reference. Add a project reference from your Playwright test project to your Blazor application project. Writing E2E tests for user scenarios. Here's an example of a Playwright E2E test for the counter component. Explanation. Pagedist provides a base class for Playwright tests, including access to the page object, which represents the browser page. Page.goToAsync, http://localhost 5000/counter, navigates the browser to the URL of the counter component. Replace with your Blazor app's URL. Page.clickAsync, button, clicks the button on the page. Expect, page.locator, p. To have text async, current count, 1, asserts that the text of the p element is current count, 1. Page.locator, p, creates a locator that identifies the paragraph based on the CSS selector p. Expect is from the Playwright.nunit library and offers a fluent assertion API. Handling asynchronous operations and timeouts. E2E tests often involve asynchronous operations, example waiting for elements to load, waiting for API responses. Playwright provides mechanisms for handling these operations and setting timeouts. Wait for selector async, string selector, waits for an element matching the specified CSS selector to appear on the page. Wait for timeout async, int milliseconds, pauses execution for a specified amount of time, not recommended for long waits, use more specific waiting methods. Configure timeouts. You can configure default timeouts for various Playwright operations in the playwright.config.js file. Example. Advanced Playwright features, screenshots, tracing, and video recording. Playwright offers advanced features that can greatly aid in debugging and understanding test failures. Screenshots. Capture screenshots of the page at various points in your tests. Useful for visualizing the state of the UI when a test fails. Tracing. Generate traces that record all actions performed during a test run. Traces can be replayed to step through the test execution and inspect the state of the page. Video recording. Record videos of test runs. Useful for understanding how the application behaves during the test. These features can be configured in the playwright.config.js file. 7. Best practices for Blazor testing. Following best practices is crucial for writing effective, maintainable, and reliable tests. Test-driven development, TDD. Write tests before writing the code they test. This helps you clarify the requirements, design your code in a testable way, and ensures that you have comprehensive test coverage. Writing readable and maintainable tests. Arrange assert. AAA structure your tests into 3 distinct sections: arrange, set up the test environment, act, perform the action you want to test, and assert, verify the result. Descriptive test names. Use clear and descriptive test names that accurately reflect the behavior you are testing. Avoid duplication. Use helper methods or base classes to avoid duplicating code in your tests. Keep tests focused. Each test should focus on testing a single aspect of your code. Using test doubles, mocks, stubs, fakes. Mocks. Objects that simulate the behavior of real dependencies and allow you to verify that your code interacts with them correctly. Use mocking libraries like mock. Stubs. Objects that provide canned responses to method calls. Used to control the behavior of dependencies in a predictable way. Fakes. Simplified implementations of dependencies that can be used in place of the real implementations during testing. Examples include in-memory databases or simplified API clients. Code coverage and test reporting. Code coverage. Measure the percentage of your code that is covered by tests. Aim for high code coverage, but don't treat it as the only metric of test quality. Focus on testing the critical paths and edge cases of your application. Test reporting. Generate reports that summarize the results of your tests. These reports can be used to track test failures, identify areas where test coverage is lacking, and monitor the overall health of your application. Tools like Coverlet, for code coverage, and various xunit reporters can help with this. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, integration. Automate tests. Integrate your tests into your CI/CD pipeline so that they are run automatically whenever code is changed. Fail builds on test failures. Configure your CI/CD pipeline to fail builds if any tests fail. This prevents broken code from being deployed to production. Generate test reports. Generate test reports as part of your CI/CD pipeline and make them available to the team. 8. Common Blazor testing challenges and solutions. Blazor development presents unique testing challenges. Testing JavaScript interop. Mock IJS runtime. Use a mocking library like mock to mock the IJS runtime interface and verify that JavaScript functions are being called with the correct parameters. End-to-end testing. Use E2E testing to verify that JavaScript interop is working correctly in a real browser environment. Testing authentication and authorization. Mock authentication services. Mock the authentication services and simulate different authentication states, example authenticated user, unauthenticated user, user with specific roles. Integration testing. Use integration tests to verify that your authentication and authorization logic is correctly protecting your application's resources. E2E testing. Use E2E tests to simulate user login and logout scenarios and verify that the application behaves as expected. Dealing with asynchronous state updates. Use task.delay. Use task.delay to wait for asynchronous operations to complete before asserting on the state of the UI. However, avoid using task.delay excessively, it can make your test slow and brittle. Use wait for element or wait for assertion, bunit. These are better ways to wait for a specific state to be reached in the UI. Implement retry logic. Implement retry logic in your tests to handle cases where asynchronous operations are intermittently failing. 9. Advanced testing techniques. Beyond the basics, several advanced testing techniques can improve the quality and reliability of your Blazor tests. Property-based testing. Property-based testing, also known as generative testing, involves generating a large number of random inputs and verifying that your code satisfies certain properties for all of those inputs. Libraries like fscheck can be used to perform property-based testing in .NET. This technique is excellent for finding edge cases and unexpected behavior. Mutation testing. Mutation testing involves introducing small changes, mutations, to your code and verifying that your tests detect those changes. If your tests don't detect a mutation, it indicates that your tests are not covering that part of the code effectively. Tools like Striker Mutator can be used to perform mutation testing in .NET. Visual regression testing. Visual regression testing involves comparing screenshots of your application's UI against a baseline of known good screenshots. This can help you detect unintended visual changes caused by code modifications. Tools like Percy or Applitools can be used for visual regression testing. Playwright also has built-in tools that can do this. 10. Conclusion and further resources. Testing is an essential part of Blazor development. By using a combination of unit, integration, and E2E tests, following best practices, and leveraging advanced testing techniques, you can build robust, reliable, and maintainable Blazor applications. Further resources ****bunit documentation ****https://bunit.eglh